to actually put this PowerPoint together for you really quickly and first show you how the common functional bedding is created out there. And basically, as you take a look at this, what these companies are doing is they're taking their sheets and they're ultimately dipping them, if you will, into different chemical agents that contain chitin. That's their method, if you will, for developing functional bedding. And they do that, and as a result, what you end up with is you end up with functional bedding, right? You end up with these sheets that have chitin kind of on them, maybe not necessarily in them, but on them because it was simply dipped into chitin, utilizing some of these chemical agents to make the chitin kind of adhere to the bedding. And then they sell that off as functional bedding because, again, chitin is very good for you. Now, I want to show you what happens with Mrs. Ying collection. First of all, I do know that there are some people who may not really understand what chitin is, and we use bamboo charcoal fiber as well. I'm pretty sure everybody understands what cotton is, but chitin is a very, very powerful material. It's antibacterial, regulates humidity, absorbs moisture, and it's non-toxic and it's environmentally friendly. So that's why we're utilizing chitin, and that's why the industry uses chitin. And then bamboo charcoal fibers, guys, again, insulates heat, eliminates odor, regulates moisture, antibacterial, reflects far infrared rays. It's anti-mite, anti-mold, even anti-static. So again, some great fibers that you want to have in your bedding. Now, I said in your bedding, not on your bedding. And that's the difference between what we do. We have a very, very proprietary blending system that we use where we take all of these fibers and we combine them so they're interwoven. So it's really a part of the fabric, not just something that's on the fabric. And that's a very key difference. This is a much more intricate process, time consuming, expensive, but definitely worth it for a couple of reasons. When you look at the comparison here, what you'll see is that with our collection, we've got this functional fabric now, right? And it's environmentally friendly. It's gone through this intricate process, but the biggest thing is superior washing durability. The properties of the chitin, the properties of the bamboo are going to last far, far, far longer than they would if you just had the common functional bedding where all they've done is dip it in a chemical solution. In fact, due to the heavy use of the chemicals, and this varies from company to company, but some of these functional beddings may not even be really that safe because they're utilizing chemicals that aren't that great for you to get the chitin to adhere to the fabric. And oh, by the way, just after a few washes, very often this common functional bedding loses all of its additional properties.